trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you get notified every time I post another video. So today we are doing an empty house tour. I know y'all, I know. It's been a lot going on, but I'm gonna fill y'all in a little later. So, let's just go ahead and get started. So, the room that we're sitting in now, this is the dining room area. However, not too many people really use their normal dining room, right? So, I think we're gonna go in and make it into like a little lounge bar situation. We'll see how that's gonna come out. So yeah, it's no need of buying like formal dining room furniture if you're not really gonna use it, you know? So anyway, that's that. So right across from here is the office area. So eventually we want to put like the double doors on this wall or in the entryway or whatever. And yeah, it's a huge space honestly, especially for like an office, because I don't even think we have that much office furniture, but we're gonna make it work out. So coming down this hallway portion is a lead you into the living room area. But right over here, we have, is it this one? No. Okay, I get confused with these two rooms. But I think this one has a bigger closet, I think. This one does, right? Okay, so this room right here is gonna be kind of like a little man cave situation, but it's gonna be an area where you can still sleep all at the same time. Has a nice size little closet. It's actually a little walk-in. Right over here is the actual guest room. So this one is a little bit smaller than that room over there, but how much room do you need as a guest, okay? This one has a nice sized closet as well, which I'll probably store like linens and things like that in because we always need a little extra space. So right out here is the little linen closet for these rooms and everything, and then the bathroom. Now this thing right here was knocked down. They're gonna come back and put this up. I don't know what they were doing in here. I don't know, but it's a nice size little bathroom. Tons of storage space. This is a little coat closet. It's small, but it's working. It's gonna work for what we need it to work for. And then coming into here is the living area. It's a huge living space, and I love that part about it. Absolutely love it. And then the island area. We don't have a refrigerator yet, of course. And yeah, tons of cabinet space. Love that for us. And there's a lot of storage. There's even storage on the other side of this island. So love that. This right here is supposed to be like, this one so like the breakfast nook area or whatever. We are going to use this because, like I said, we're not going to use our dining space. It's a dining area. So here we have garage space. It's dark out there, so it's not necessary. Just a regular schmegular garage. And then here is the pantry space. And right beside the pantry is the laundry room. I love a good walk-in laundry area, okay? And this same space leads you right back out into the dining area. So you can take it back. So these two rooms right here will be the girls' rooms. We're gonna have to let them figure it out, honestly, because I don't know whose room is gonna be whose. But they're nice size bedrooms, really nice size. They also have a nice closet space. Both closets are exactly the same. There is their bathroom. Their bathroom space. Now their bathroom is a little bit smaller than the bathroom on the other side, but it's fine. Girl, the less space they have, the less space they have to mess up things. So here's the other room. So this one is, to me, I think this one is a little bit smaller. Is this one smaller than that one? I think it's a little bit smaller than that one. Or it could be the windows that make it look that way, but I think this one's smaller. But we'll let them choose. Let them fight over the room they want, I guess. So coming back out here, here is, you can go to the outside this way. There is a nice size, like, I don't know if you want to call it a porch, a patio, what do you want to call it? Nice size backyard, nice size porch, patio area, whatever you would like to call it. What do you call this? What is this? I don't know. It's a nice size though. I'm gonna let Tim do his thing out here. You doing your thing out here or not? And right over here we have the master bedroom. So I think I'm gonna do like something right here. I don't know what yet. I don't know if I'm gonna do like a mirror, a table with some little cute something. Girl, I don't know, but I have to do something because this is a lot of empty little space. But into the master bedroom, here we are. There's also a door to go to your little back porch patio area. And here is the master bath. I apologize for the noise if you can hear that, but I didn't realize that the fan goes along with the shower light. So it's cool though. I'm sure you're gonna need it, but has like a little linen closet in here. The his and her sinks, I think we already chose our sides. I chose this side because the most natural light is coming in, so I want to do my little makeup or whatever. Chose that side for that. Toilet area, I don't know if it's necessary to see that. And then of course the shower area. And the tub. And last but not least, the walk-in closet. Now our plans for this closet is to like get all this stuff taken down at some point and getting like a built-in system because it's a lot of closet, but it's not really functional. It is, but it's not. So at some point we plan to make this like, you know, a little bit more functional for us and all our things. But this ain't on the top of the list, so we'll worry about that later. So this concludes our house tour. Leave me any comments or anything down below if you have any suggestions on what to do with certain spaces and things like that. I'm open to new ideas and things like that. So just leave it down below. And I hope you guys did enjoy it. Stay tuned because you will be coming with me to decorate and all the things, honey, because we got work to do. So thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to give it a like if you enjoyed it. It really does help my channel. So we'll see you guys in the next one.
Lord, this flower bomb, a fly, fly. She take me high. I can teach you all the signs of love.